Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've signed in and picked the title. Now start playback so subtitle controls appear. Once the video begins, pause or tap the screen to reveal the player UI. Make sure you're on the correct profile because language preferences can be profile-specific. If you're on a smart TV, use the remote. On mobile or browser, tap the player area. This immediate action brings up the captions or audio menu, the first actionable step to enable subtitles quickly. Once the player controls are visible, find and open the captions or audio menu, typically a speech bubble or gear icon. You'll see separate lists for audio and subtitles. Select subtitles and then your preferred language. If a language isn't listed, try switching audio tracks first or change profile language settings in account preferences. Make sure to tap or click the chosen subtitle option so it highlights. That confirms selection and immediately overlays captions. Resume the video and verify subtitles are showing and in sync. If they lag, pause and play to force refresh. If subtitles don't appear, make sure the app and device firmware are updated, sign out and back in, or try another profile. Sometimes cached settings block captions. For smart TVs, power cycle the device. If problems persist, report the title through Disney Plus help so they can add or fix subtitle files. That's the final step to resolve stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.